In today's fast-paced world, our diets have shifted dramatically towards convenience, often at the expense of our health. Here's a surprising statistic. Studies have shown that over 80% of the average modern diet consists of acidic foods. This shift is alarming because high acidity in our diets has been linked to a host of health issues, including inflammation, weakened immune systems, and chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. But what exactly does it mean to have an acidic diet, and why should you consider alkalizing? Let's dive into the concept of alkalization, its relevance to your health, and 5 compelling reasons why you should start thinking about it today. Understanding alkalization. The idea of alkalization is rooted in the pH scale, which measures how acidic or alkaline a substance is. The scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Anything below 7 is considered acidic, while anything above 7 is alkaline. Our bodies function best when the pH level in our blood is slightly alkaline, around 7.4. However, the modern diet, which is high in processed foods, sugars, and animal products, tends to push our bodies toward acidity. When the body becomes too acidic, it can lead to several health problems. The body works hard to maintain that slightly alkaline blood pH, often drawing minerals like calcium from bones to neutralize the acidity. Over time, this can weaken bones and contribute to conditions like osteoporosis. Alkalizing your diet means consuming more alkaline foods, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, which help balance out the acidity and promote better health. By doing so, you can support your body's natural processes and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Now, let's explore the 5 health benefits of alkalizing your diet. Number 1. Reduced inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health issues. Acidic foods are known to contribute to inflammation by creating an environment that favors the growth of harmful bacteria and yeast. On the other hand, an alkaline diet helps reduce inflammation by neutralizing acid and promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. For example, think of your body like a garden. If the soil, your body, becomes too acidic, weeds, inflammation thrive, crowding out the healthy plants, your organs and systems. By alkalizing, you're essentially restoring the soil to a healthy balance, allowing the good plants to grow and flourish. Number 2, improved bone health. As mentioned earlier, when your body becomes too acidic, it may leach calcium from your bones to maintain pH balance. Over time, this can weaken bones, making them more susceptible to fractures and osteoporosis. A diet rich in alkaline foods, such as leafy greens, almonds, and tofu, can help protect your bones by reducing the need for your body to draw calcium from them. Consider your bones as a savings account for calcium. When your diet is too acidic, it's like making constant withdrawals from your account. But by alkalizing, you're making deposits, ensuring that your bones remain strong and healthy over time. Before we dive into the 3rd health benefit, remember to subscribe to this channel and comment below with your thoughts. Your feedback helps us create content that supports your journey to better health. Number 3, enhanced immune function. Your immune system is your body's defense against illness and infection. However, an acidic environment can weaken your immune response, making you more vulnerable to sickness. Alkaline foods, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, support your immune system by providing the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Think of your immune system as the fortress protecting your body. Acidic foods chip away at the walls, while alkaline foods strengthen and rebuild them, ensuring that your defenses are always up. Number 4, better digestive health. The digestive system plays a crucial role in overall health, breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. An acidic diet can lead to digestive issues like acid reflux, heartburn, and indigestion. By incorporating more alkaline foods into your diet, you can help balance your stomach's pH levels, leading to smoother digestion and less discomfort. Imagine your stomach as a well-oiled machine. Acidic foods are like sand in the gears, causing friction and wear. Alkaline foods act as the oil that keeps everything running smoothly, preventing those annoying digestive hiccups. Number 5, increased energy levels. Ever feel sluggish and tired for no apparent reason? Your diet might be to blame. Acidic foods can drain your energy by forcing your body to work harder to maintain pH balance. Alkaline foods, on the other hand, provide your body with clean energy that doesn't require extra effort to process. It's like fueling your car with premium gasoline versus regular. The premium, alkaline foods gives you better performance and efficiency, while the regular, acidic foods may cause your engine to sputter and struggle. Now that you've learned about the incredible health benefits of alkalizing your diet, it's time to take the first step towards a healthier you. Begin by making small but meaningful changes to your daily routine. Start incorporating more alkaline-rich foods into your meals. Add a side of spinach to your breakfast, snack on almonds throughout the day, or sip on herbal teas instead of sugary drinks. Each small change you make is a step towards reducing the acidity in your body and reaping the rewards of better health. It's also important to share your journey with others. Educate your friends and family about the benefits of an alkaline diet and encourage them to join you on this path to wellness. If you're part of a community or group that focuses on health and wellness, share this content with them. You never know who might benefit from the knowledge you've gained here. As you continue your journey, remember that every effort counts. Even on days when it feels challenging to stick to an alkaline diet, keep going. Your body will thank you for it in the long run. And remember, we're here to support you every step of the way. By subscribing to our channel, you'll stay updated with the latest tips and advice on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Remember to comment below with your experiences, questions, or thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Until the next one, stay informed, stay active, and most importantly, stay healthy.